Good day viewers, in this tutorial video I'm going to teach you in less than 5 minutes permutation and combination. Let us look at the question. In how many ways can a committee of 5 be chosen from a group of 8 men and 6 women if it must contain at least 2 men and 2 women? Let me repeat the question. In how many ways can a committee of 5 be chosen from a group of 8 men and 6 women if it must contain at least 2 men and 2 women? Let's go to solution. I go towards solution. But before I go into solution, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to help me grow this channel. Turn on your notification bell. Immediately you subscribe. Share to your friends and comment to enable me to know the area I'm doing good for you. Thank you. Let's look at this. What they are saying here is that they want to have a committee. The committee of what? 5. Committee of 5 members is going to be chosen from what? 8 men and 6 women. Committee of 5 members is going to be chosen from what? 8 men and what? 6 women. That men, what do you mean by what? Men is equals to what? 8 in number. And what? Women, what they're talking about, women is a what? 6 in number. And the committee we needed to form, the committee we needed is a what? In number 5. 5 committee. Then now, what's the condition? They came here, they give us condition, said if it must contain at least 2 men and 2 women. This committee must contain at least. It will not be less than that. 2 men and 2 women. That means men cannot be less than 2 there. It can be more than 2 and above, but it cannot be less than 2. Then women cannot be less than 2 there. It can be more than 2 and above. Then let us look at it. I would have said out of what? 8 men. Out of 8 men, I'm going to choose 2, which is the least number of the what? The men that will be in that committee. The least is what? Is at least 2 men. Then now, what's the next? I'm going to say what? Times. Out of what? What is the number of women? 6 women. I'm going to choose what? 3. Why am I choosing 3? Because what I needed is what? The committee must be 5 members. The committee must be what? 5 members. 6, the least men is 2 there. The rest will be what? Women. Look at the list of the men, which is 2. The rest will be what? The women, which is what? The 3. The 3 women will make it to the what? 5 committee. Or another way I can choose it is to what? Get the women to the list. I have the women to the list. What? The least women? 2. Then the rest will be occupied by what? Men, which will be times. Out of 8 men, I'm going to choose what? 3 now. So you can see either the what? The men is 2 at least, and the women take the rest. Or this all become plus. Or the men and the women, they come to the list and the men take the rest. And that's the only 2 ways I can form this committee. Then making it, what does this mean? This means that 8 should go down by 2. That 8 should what? Reduce by 2. And this means that what? 8 times what? 7. Are you going to say now? All over what? How many are there now? 1, 2. After 8, the next person is 7. How many are there? 1, 2. Over what? 2 factorial. This 2 is what tells me how I'm going to draw. That means 2 times. Then times. What happened here? This means what? 3. Look at the 3 here. It means that this 6 should what? Go down by 3 over 3 factorial. What does it mean? It means 6 times what? 5. That's how many now? 1, 2. Times what? 4. How many now? 1, 2, 3. Over what? 3 factorial. That's what it means. Then here will be what? Plus. Then what does this one mean? 2. Mean that what? 6 should go down by 2. Mean what? 6 times what? 5. How many are there? 1, 2. Over what? 2 factorial. That's over 2 factorial. Then times, this means 3. 3 means that what? 8. I'm choosing 3 from 8 means that what? 8 should go down by what? 3. Mean what? 8, the first one. The second one should be 7. The third one should be what? 6. All over what? 3 factorial. Are you get what I'm saying? Then now, looking at here, I'm going to have 8. 8 times what? 7. I think you're seeing 2 times what? 1. That's a 2 factorial, mean 2 times 1. Then times 6 times what? 5 times what? 4. 3 factorial mean what? 3 times what? 2 times what? 1. Then now coming over here, I have plus. Then this means what? 6 times what? 5. 2 factorial mean what? 2 times what? 1. Then times. This means what? 8 times what? 7 times what? 6. And 3 factorial mean what? 3 times what? 2 times what? 1. Then coming down here, I'm going to have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divided 8 will give me 4. Then what I have here, 4 times what? 7. Then I have what? Times again. What happened here? 3 times this will give me what? 3 times 2 will give me 6. That means this will kill this 6. What will remain here is what? 5 times what? 4. Then I'm going to have 4 plus here. Then this means 2 divided 6 will give me what? 3 times what? 5 times again. What I'm going to have here will be what? This time this will give me 6. This and this will kill this 6. I have what? 8 times what? 7. Then coming over here, I cannot complete it here. I'm going to have it here is what? 4 times what? 7 times what? 5 times what? 4 plus what I'm having here? 3 times what? 5 times 8 times what? 7. Then I'm going to use my calculator right now. I'm going to say 4 times what? 7 times 5 times 4. That's 4 times 7 times 5 times what? 4. Give me equals to what? 560. Plus, I have here 15 times 8 times 7. How did I get 15? 3 times 5 give me 15 times what? 8 times 7. And that gives me what? 840. Then 840 plus 560. That gives me what? That gives me, my answer become 1400 ways. That is the number of ways I can do this. And that's my what? Answer. That's the number of ways I can do this. And that's the answer for the question. If you have not subscribed to this question, love this question, share to your friends and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.